Ka Congress sa Shisien kan sa Khie Khlieh Biang ha Meghalaya ong uhe ka All India Congress Committee badai Peit ya ka Meghalaya u A Chellakumar ha bakran bakilat pathai Khubor hadien ka jingialang bat ki nongialam jong ka Congress na kylleng ki block bat ki district utei uhe Congress u badai ru MP na Tamilnadu ulong ba ka jingkhie Khlieh ka Congress and sa iohi naduh kane ki election MP amtang ha Meghalaya hynrei ha karihi baroh kawei. Hakani ka sngi ryngkat ka jingdonlang ki MLA ka Congress la donlang ru Presiden ka parti Bah Vincent H Pala badai ru MP ka Shillong seat.
Thank you for coming. Actually, we have a very important leader from AIC who is the new in charge for Meghalaya. Dr. A Chellakumar, who is also my colleague in Parliament. He is a member of the Lok Sabha from Tamilnadu. He is a very seasoned senior politician. He started his career when in 1991 he became an MLA. So we are fortunate to have him in our midst, and we are fortunate also to get his guidance. Today he has enlightened all our district president, block president, right from Tura. We had a meeting yesterday. In Nongstoin we had a meeting today, and here now with our workers. Our main briefing today will be taken by him, but all the state issues and all will be taken by Roni. The rest maybe I also participate and assist with anything to be answered by you. So we welcome any questions, but before that I would like to say that many of the issues related to the India alliance, actually we have been asked by Delhi. We should not take a decision. Whatever views we have, we can give it to them. They will take a decision. This is very important, and I've given a press before also, and I think this is a thing. Another issue is that election is coming. Our preparation we are on. We did pause for some time because of festivities and because of festivals and Christmas, New Year. But today we have started. As I told you, we'll have a meeting on 8 in Garhils. We did it, and today we are having it here. So thank you, and I'll be happy to hand over to you, sir. Let them ask you questions, and if you think that I will answer, I will answer. Or
as in charge, it's my first visit to state of Meghalaya. From yesterday, I could able to interact with many Congress senior leaders and also the block presidents and those who have contested the elections. They are all in a happy mood. They are all want to bring back the Congress regime in the state of Meghalaya. They are all they have assured that they all unitedly work for the betterment of the Congress party for the coming parliament election. Whatever the direction given by the AICC, they are ready to carry out. And we have discussed about the booth committees, and we have discussed about the how to go and to propagate the Congress achievements. There are a lot of things. See, already Congress High Command has constituted the screening committee for the selection of the candidates, and we have AICC has formed a committee to negotiate with the India bloc. So that process is already they started the process. So they are in touch with all the alliance partners of the India bloc. So very soon we will come up, but this time we will declare the candidate in a early time itself, because already we have formed the screening committee. So very soon we will come out with the candidates and we'll start our campaign.